Hey, what is going on, guys? Eder here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. So let's go ahead and go over a few things, what's going to happen next week. I wanted to show you this quick review right here. Starting on Bitcoin. I know I'm not a Bitcoin guy, I'm not a crypto guy, but lately I've been using this type of setups in cryptos, and I tell you, like, it's killing it. This type of order blocks are really good on, like, if you know how to spot them, how to use them, they're really good, really good on crypto. And so this is pretty much what I did. This was yesterday. This entry was done yesterday. My initial target, which I'm gonna show you, I did send this to the VIP. I'm still basically in test mode in this strategies, but this was somewhere here. I was telling them that I was getting into a sell. I was holding it. It was a little 15-minute time frame order block right there, and this was 15 minute right here. This was a little drop, and then after that just came crashing down. My first target, you see where it was. My first target was actually 27,706. About 27,706. Right here. Yeah, so basically this line, this was pretty much the first TP, or the final TP if I was just, entering just for that target. But then I look back, like I went on a 4-hour and on a daily, and I was like, okay, I think based on what I'm seeing on bigger time frames, I think this is going to continue dropping. So I decided to stretch it out. The first entry, I decided to stretch it out all the way down here, back to the beginning of this little week, and something is telling me that this could even get to the 20,000. Like, Bitcoin has already broken that consolidation right there, unless it's some type of liquidity grab or something, like, or a little trap, and right here people will start actually buying next week. But like right now, I tell you, I see Bitcoin reaching the 20K very soon. So basically that's what happened. Then the price pulled back. It created that little wedge formation, triangle formation right here, and it pulled back very strong. So both entries are open. Both are on break even right now. So it did it kind of did a fake out right here. This is why, I was thinking, oh, okay, maybe this is some type of like a fake out to the downside. Now it's going to go up. Now what I'm seeing is that, look at this, the market did create it. Look at this big push. If you remember the video on order block, the market has actually created a little order block right here, the previous candle before the big push. So that's an order block right there. So technically, if you're looking for a buy, this could be a good buy right there, right? The price could actually push up, but because I'm already on these two sells, I'm on break even, I'm gonna, this pretty much is gonna be on hold. So it's a good scenario. It's a potential really good. If you look in the past, as I mentioned, the market did create, before pushing up, it did create that order block right here. And you see, if it starts showing rejections to this zone, some institutions could be getting into buys right here, right in this area. So that's it. That's basically what happened, what's been happening this weekend with Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum, if we go on a bigger time frame as well, this is dying. Cryptos are very bad right here. It's most likely going to be reaching previous high right here, which was reached on 2018. So it's very close. It's getting very close. I don't see the crypto world like pushing up or getting back up. I don't see even Ethereum getting back to the 3,000 this year. I don't think so. Something really nice has to happen in order for that to happen. And on Bitcoin as well, I don't think that even this year the price will be even getting back to the 40K. I highly doubt it. Like I don't think so. As I mentioned, if it happens, it has to, like, we have to have some type of really good news if it does happen. So let's go ahead and jump in on Nasdaq right here. Let's see where we are. Let me clean some of these things right here. This was pretty much the other order block we had. So let's just start cleaning these things. They are already done. So okay, what are we having? I wanted to show you actually something, by the way. Those who, let me open this this new thing here. If you want to follow me on TradingView, I recommend you go check it out. The link is in the description below, right? This is my TradingView profile, I would say. Here I do post from time to time some ideas, okay? Some setups. For example, right here you see like maybe predictions. I might post there from time to time, not all the time, but from time to time I do post them. The cool thing about this thing is that you can actually move this thing right here. It's like a screenshot it does take of this thing, and if you hit the play button right here, hit it, look at this. You see the actual how the market is at the moment and what the market did after I posted this thing on TradingView. So this technically it's a little signal right there that I just leave for free. This one, for example, on GBP CHF, this was my expectation on this break of a structure, creating that demand zone. But what happened here? This entry should have been in the entire box. This was my mistake, because this entry should have been right here. Like the buy limit order should have been here and the stop loss should have been here. Look at what happened when I hit the play button. Look at where we are. It did activate it. If I would have put this buy order right here, it would have just skyrocketed after that immediately. You know, it was a nice push. Like you can see again, the market did create that that big push. Okay, we have our break of a structure right here, then the change of character, then the price get back to the actual demand zone, barely touch it. You see, the barely touched it and then skyrocket after that. Look at this huge push, huge. You can see all examples I've been sending. For example, this is Euro GBP as well, pretty much same thing. If you hit play button, you see where we are right now. If we go below, this is S&P 500. Look at this. S&P 500, I was, first of all, at the beginning, I was predicting a drop like that, like reaching this previous zone and then perhaps a push up. Look at this. We have the break of a structure right here. We have the change of character. The price, of course, broke that trend line and price pushed up, right? So we have everything prepared and waiting just for that pullback. If I hit play, look where we are. Exactly, basically what I draw right there, and we are touching the actual zone. So are we going to go bullish this week? What do you guys think on S&P 500? Are we going to go bullish now? That's a good position to actually go on a buy on this setup that I sent, right? That was S&P 500. If I go on Nasdaq, basically same thing. I was predicting that drop after the market created that break of a structure and the change of character right there. If I hit play, look at that. Market did drop, activating this buy. So to be honest, I have not jumped in on this because I'm still holding the sale on US 30. I'm holding a sale on US 30. So this could be right, but I'm not thinking of getting into buys yet because markets are still weak. Don't matter what it shows right here. At this moment, like as I mentioned, after showing all this consolidation right here, I don't know. I think it might still continue dropping. Okay. So these are pretty much all the setups. You see, look at the Bitcoin, even the Bitcoin setup right here. If you hit the play, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful setup. So anyways, don't want to waste more of your time. You can just go here and follow me. I do post really nice content in here from time to time. All right. So Nasdaq, as I mentioned, Nasdaq is testing this really nice demand zone. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's a very attractive zone for like to get in automatically in this thing and hold it at least maybe to previous highs, at least to there. Looking really good, but I personally don't want to do that just yet. I don't want to do that just yet. Something is telling me to hold, to wait, because I'm on US 30. I'm actually holding this thing now. Also, if you see this US 30 could be reaching a nice zone as well after this huge drop. The previous candle is right here, so we could be reaching a a very important order block right there. But I want to wait. Like, I'm on this sale already, and of course I wanna see what's gonna happen in this position, in this area. But because I do believe that it's gonna continue dropping. S&P 500, as I show you there, pretty much it's pulling back as well. If we go on a bigger time frame, it's touching an actual psychological level. In the past, it's a nice support. I just believe that the market will continue dropping. We got a big push, pull back, push, pull back right here. If we think on a bigger time frame, we can say that maybe we have a BOS here and a change of character here, but price did not react at all in this area to actually go buying. You see, it completely failed and went down. So yeah, no, I don't think bullish are getting in control. If anything, bearish. Everything will be bearish for the next couple of more days. Like, of course, like, look at the speed of this thing going down. We should be expecting some type, and the price is touching that psychological, right? So we should be expecting some type of correction, at least some type of pullback. Okay, the pullback maybe could happen back to the 4,000 psychological, and then maybe continuation to the downside, perhaps. I kind of like that, like this big push right there, that big zone. Seems very interesting, like I showed here on the S&P. Like, pretty much this nice breaker of structure, change of character right there, and of course is touching right now. So I'm gonna be paying close attention to that area to see if I don't know, we can go into a buy. Like, technically it should be already in, like the entry should be done already, but no, I don't want to do it at the moment. I don't want to do it like that at the moment. Taking a look at gold, gold did a pretty dirty move on Friday on the core CPI news. That's fine. That's fine. At least, you know, it was a nice setup. And I know gold will do this thing from time to time, but it's fine. Cool. No biggie. So waiting to see what's going to happen at that point. Is it going to now come back down? Is it going to pull back a little bit, or is it going to finally be, I don't know if you remember, but I was on a buy somewhere around here, but I decided to close this thing because I hate that consolidation, and I closed it. But I wanted to see gold since the breakout of this trend line. I wanted to see gold reaching at least the 1900. I've said it a lot of times now on the YouTube, on my videos, and then after hitting that 1900, I want to see the market continue dropping. But let's see if this push will continue. This huge push will continue up. That was a huge candle. Huge candle. That's a big rejection to the bottom. Yes, I do believe. Look at this huge rejection right here. Rejection. Maybe some type of double bottom right there. Yeah, this could definitely impulse gold now back at least to the 1900. Let's see what's gonna happen. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's we have to wait. Let's see how this week is going to be. Starting Mondays are trap Mondays. Be careful, okay? Just try to be a little bit more patient on Mondays, and starting to see what direction is going to be forming. If you have any doubts, guys, questions, concerns, just leave your comments below. Let me know what you want to see next. And if you're interested on what I'm doing, you know, trading this supply and demand, order blocks, break of a structure, change of character, all of that, just hit me up. You can leave your comments below, or just go on the free channel, on the free Telegram group that I have there below the description. You will find that information in there, or you can just go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see that I'm offering a bundle right now, which includes my course, my mentorship, and my VIP signal group for life. It's only one-time payment, and that's it. You're part of the team forever, right? So that will be all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new on the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.